This slideshow is about the kingdom Protista. Ernst Haeckel gave the term Protista for the first time. They are the first eukaryotes with a true nucleus. In the evolution process, they evolved from prokaryotes. They are the aquatic organisms living in seawater or freshwater. They form plankton, that is microorganisms floating on water. Some are phytoplanktonic, that is photosynthetic microalgae. Some form zooplankton, heterotrophic microanimals. They are unicellular, that means single-celled organisms. Some are colonial forms, that means multicellular without tissues. They have cell wall with cellulose, silica or pectin in their walls. Protists, they are pigmented organelles for photosynthesis, that is chloroplast. Mitochondria act as respiratory organelles in their cells. Endoplasmic reticulum act as a transporting organelle in Protista cells. Golgi complex, the secretory organelles are also present. Cytoskeleton, a network of filaments and tubules, can also be seen. Vacuoles, that is sacs with water, minerals and organic substances, are present. A true nucleus, that is dynamic center of the cell with nuclear membrane, is present in these organisms. Some are uninucleate with one nucleus. Example, Euglena. Some are binucleate with micronucleus and macronucleus. Example is Paramecium. Some are cenocytic with a multinucleate, that is many nuclei in the cell. They have linear DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, unlike that of prokaryotes with circular DNA. Complete histones are associated with deoxyribonucleic acid. Some are mesokaryotes, intermediate between eukaryotes and prokaryotes with no histones and meiosis. Flagella shows 9+2 arrangement, the locomotory organelle, in their cells. Cilia, hair-like locomotory organelles, are seen in some organisms like Paramecium. Amoeba has a pseudopodia for locomotion, movement and feeding. 7 DS ribosomes are present in mitochondria and chloroplast, whereas 8 DS ribosomes in cytoplasm. Cyclosis is seen in cells. Cytoplasmic streaming. Some are autotrophs, that means they show photosynthesis with chlorophyll. Some are holozoic, they show ingestion, that is taking of food. Example, Euglena. Some are mixotrophic, for example, Euglena show both autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Slime molds show saprophytic nature, that is depending on dead and decaying organic matter. Some are parasites depending on living host cells like that of malarial parasite. Symbiosis is seen in termite guards, that is Spirochaeta trichonympha. Starch, the reserve food material present in some organisms. In some organisms, glycogen, animal starch may also be present. Chrysolaminarin is seen in some organisms like diatoms. Paramelon is seen in some organisms like Euglena starch. Budding, asexual mode of reproduction, is seen in yeast cells. Binary fission is seen in Paramecium, a kind of asexual reproduction. Multiple fission, it is also a kind of asexual reproduction in amoeba. Mitosis with mitotic apparatus is seen in all protist organisms. Karyogamy and plasmogamy, that is nuclear and cytoplasmic fusion, are seen in slime molds. Gametic and zygotic meiosis are seen during sexual reproduction. Sporulation is seen in amoeba during encystment, that is spore formation, and also in slime molds. Sexual reproduction by conjugation is seen in paramecium. Chrysophytes, kind of protist. Golden algae. Dinoflagellates, marine algae with whirling flagella. Eukaryotes, flagellated protozoans. Mycetozoa, that includes slime molds. Protozoans, they are also a part of Protista kingdom. Okay, thank you for watching this video. For inquiry, write to this email ID.